Universe Classic 2025. Excited ka na bang makilala ang ating Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025?
I'm very excited for our last two candidates. Juliana, your moment to be right here
Please step
in the
forward.
middle.
Ayan na, this is the moment. Voting ends now.
Ito na yun.
Excited ka na ba, Jasper?
Sobrang excited na. Excited na ba kayo, Pasig?
Yes!
Alright, I'm sure everyone can't wait to see who our new queen will be. But before that, we call up on stage Miss Aramina and Chairman Maynard Sabini to award our first runner-up. We also know here Architect Champ Season 2 Attorney Christian Sia and Congresswoman Rochelle Sixon to crown our Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025. Our first runner-up will receive 30,000 pesos worth of health and wellness package from Health Screen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center, 20,000 pesos worth of gift certificates from Slumbers World Elite, and 125,000 pesos cash prize. Now, our winner of our Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025 will be going home with 20,000 pesos worth of products from Rich Beauty to be presented by CEO Rachel Pulia, 50,000 pesos worth of premium health and wellness package from Health Screen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center to be awarded by Miss Cheryl Abday, 20,000 pesos worth of GCs from Celebrity World Elite to be awarded by Miss Dea Cian, and a whopping 250,000 pesos in cash. Alright, Pasigueños and other guests, I just want to clarify, our next announcement will be the Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025. Ulitin ko po, ang aming unang i-announce ay ang kokoronahan bilang Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Pasig, are you ready to crown your new Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025?
Ready na ba kayong supportahan siya? Sa Miss Universe Philippines!
One more time, shout out, who do you think will win the crown today? All right, MJ,
I am so ready. Let's do this.
let's do the honor.
Our Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025 is... She is from...
Huwag ko po silang magkapangalan. Ang Alexandra and ang Alexandria.
Wow, what a coincidence! Buhay ang mga taga-Pasig! Now you are awarding our first runner-up.
All right, Miss Anna, please do the honor of awarding our first runner-up. And of course, the rest of our judges will be doing the job right here. Let us give a moment. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for first runner-up from Pinagbuhatan, Alexandria Taran.
Pasigueños, meet your Miss Universe Philippines Pasig 2025 from Baling Ilog, Alessandra Yuke.
you personally on the 15th at the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 press presentation. Magkita na po tayo dyan.